Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, again today, second day for almost record cold temperatures in Chicago, and with the black ice on the roads, it's a lot of fun skating in your car, driving into work on a daily basis. So a lot of problems in Chicago with the commute, and that'll probably continue today. Hopefully the temperatures will warm up later this week and everything can kind of get back to normal. As far as overnight prices, a little bit easier in the soybean market, unchanged in corn. Wheat's a little bit lower. Outside markets are a little bit better. In the beans, I think we're starting to see some liquidation of the long-term trade of being long bean, short corn. Last week, Commitments of Traders report showed traditional funds, big seller in the beans. Probably were big sellers in the last couple of days, and I think that market is starting to see some balancing out of a traditional relationship between soybean prices and corn prices. In the beans, I think you're seeing a good weather forecast for South America. Brazil is going to get rains next week. About 1% of the crop is harvested, and early yields are better than expected. Argentina could have some showers break out in the next couple of days, but long-range maps look for better chances of Argentina rains maybe next week. Here in the United States, besides the cold weather, we're getting ready for the January USDA crop report. Early estimates from the trade is that the corn crop and bean crop last year is going to be bigger than what the USDA said in November. For corn, this could add to the carryout and continue to offer resistance to prices, besides the higher cash basis levels. In the beans, the higher crop could be offset by higher export numbers, keep the carryout unchanged and relatively tight. And the key to the bean market is just how quickly the world changes from taking beans from U.S. to taking from South America and the South American logistics issues. Not much expected in changes in wheat numbers, both global and U.S., but we will get our first look at 2014 winter wheat plantings, which is supposed to be unchanged from last year. Right now, despite the cold weather, winter wheat crop conditions remain favorable for the 2014 U.S. crop. So I think in general, we're still back to looking at 2014 as less volatility potentially, lighter volume, tighter ranges, and a grinding lower in prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.